after reviewing millions of documents and interviewing more than 60 people over several years, New York's Attorney General today did file that fraud case against Donald Trump. Now, she said that she almost settled it out of court, but when Trump took the fifth during his deposition, she decided to go forward.
I didn't think this would ever happen because they had no case. This was just a continuation of a witch hunt.
Former President Donald Trump commenting tonight on the civil suit filed against him today by New York's Attorney General.
Pattern of fraud and deception that was used by Mr. Trump and the Trump Organization for their own financial benefit is astounding.
After a 3-year investigation, AG Letitia James has filed suit not only against Trump, but his 3 oldest children and 2 of Trump's company executives.
For violating the law as part of his efforts to generate profits for himself, his family, and his company.
The suit states that between 2011 and 2021, Donald Trump inflated his net worth by billions of dollars to cheat the system.
To induce banks to lend money to the Trump Organization on more favorable terms than would otherwise have been available to the company.
And she says that Trump made 200 false claims on financial documents, inflating his wealth to get loans, but downplaying it when paying taxes. One example being his own residence at Trump Tower, which he allegedly said was 3 times the size it really is, and Mar-a-Lago, which Trump claims is worth 10 times what the AG says it's appraised at. Trump responded earlier on social media, saying James was a failed AG whose policies are forcing residents and businesses to flee the state. And Don Jr. wrote, James doesn't care about the law. She's a Democratic activist who cares about politics. But Attorney General James says that the Trump family conspired to break at least 3 New York laws and possibly federal statutes as well. She's seeking $250 million in restitution.
And along with that restitution, AG James doesn't want Trump or those kids to ever run a company again in New York. And she wants a 5-year ban on Trump making any real estate deals. In the News Center, I'm Rick Chambers. Cher, I'll send it back to you.